Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore everything and beyond. In this video, I'll share my latest experiment, building a smart assistant that understands products from an Odoo database using N2. If you're new to the channel, be sure to visit the channel page to learn more about N2 for Odoo. In this experiment, I created 4 new nodes to the N2 AI module: Create Memory Node, Embedding Function Node, Search Memory Tool Node, AI Data Tool Node. With these 4 nodes, we can build a more powerful retrieval-augmented generation pipeline for our chatbot. Let's create a simple assistant to demonstrate it. First, we create an N2 graph to generate the chatbot's memory. As you can see here, the process is straightforward. We retrieve product data using N2 data retrieval nodes. For each product, we create a memory entry using the Create Memory node. For simplicity, the memory includes only the product ID, product name, and e-commerce description. Once the graph is ready, we run it to generate the vector database. This graph can also be automated by adding the onSchedule trigger node, allowing it to stay up to date as products change. Next, we create a second graph for the shop assistant itself. In this graph, we connect these 2 nodes to the AI agent node. Search Memory Tool node for retrieving relevant product information. AI Data Tool node for providing additional product details. In the AI Data Tool node, we include fields such as sales price and sales description. You can add more details if needed, but remember, this graph is intended for a public-facing website, so avoid exposing any sensitive or internal data. Finally, we configure this graph to be used as the website assistant. And that's it. We now have a smarter assistant that can answer product-related inquiries directly from our Odoo database. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.